Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back, but this time it's for real. As you guys may know, there's this big, alarming, scary, nerve-wracking, stressful situation going on in the world right now. It's called the coronavirus. It's very scary. Like, at first people were taking it not so seriously, and now people are like, oh my god, this thing is like very dangerous, and like what's gonna happen. I made the decision with my family to self-quarantine myself so that the virus can hopefully not spread to as many people. Here in Canada, that's what the government advised us to do: self-quarantine, don't see other people, stay in your houses, and just go out for the purpose of going to get groceries and if ever you really need to go out. So I had the marvelous idea to make a get ready with me while in self-quarantine video. I'm doing this and you guys might be thinking like, why are you getting all glammed up if you're alone in your house? But the thing with me is that I always complain that I never have time to make content and post it, so I told myself I'm gonna do that during my self-quarantine. I have all the time in the world to make videos, make content, take pictures, and obviously when I do that I kind of get ready to look somewhat good on camera. So I told myself, why not show you guys my little makeup routine that I do when I take photos or when I film content. So if you guys want to see how I get glammed up while in self-quarantine, you know what to do. Just keep watching the video. But before we jump into it, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram if you want to see more pictures or just more stuff about my life. I post there like every day. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be posting a lot more during the self-quarantine, like I told you guys. If you don't want to miss any of the fun, subscribe and turn on the post notifications. So now if you guys want to see my look, let's just jump into the video. Every time I come and make a new YouTube video, and I'm like, hi guys, I'm here with a new YouTube video, I always feel like that meme on TikTok where it's like, hey, hey, and then the other person is like, you guys like mad as hell because I haven't posted. Hey. Anyways, let's start this makeup tutorial. Basically, when I get ready, it's not to go out since we are in self-quarantine. I only get ready for the purpose of making content. Today I'm going to be doing a natural makeup look. Nothing too crazy, nothing too glam, just something natural that I look good in. So the first thing I'm going to be applying, I've been applying this ever since I got it because I just find it so cool. Do you know those like really satisfying makeup tutorials where they always like put this like serum on their skin before they apply their makeup and it just like drips down their face? Well, I finally got one of those and I'm so happy. So this is the Wet n Wild primer serum, and I guess it's supposed to hydrate your skin. Ooh, look at those drops. Drop, drop, drop. So I just apply this and it primes my face for my foundation, and in the same time it's supposed to hydrate my skin. I'm really liking the serum. It smells really good and I feel like I think it does something to my face. Actually wondering if it's like mental maybe, because I've always wanted a serum like this, that maybe that's why I like it. Anyways, I feel like my foundation sticks really nice and it's a good base because it makes your skin like all tacky and like ready to have foundation slapped onto it. Yeah, so I just applied that and then I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs foundation. This foundation I think I've had for like 3 years now. Yeah, don't wear 3-year. I don't recommend doing that. Don't do that. But I'm doing that today, so just watch me do it, but don't do it. Then I'm gonna be taking my beauty blender and just... This shade is extremely dark for my skin, but that's good because in self-quarantine you don't tan. So we're gonna pretend that she has a tan. Okay, I applied way too much foundation, but so I'm just gonna blend this into my skin. I really like this foundation because it's dewy. It gives you like this luminous glow. For my self-quarantine content, I actually decided to make like a to-do list type of thing. I feel like I was writing the stuff down, but it was not actually getting done, and I was most of the time ending up as a couch potato and just not doing anything. So now I actually made a list of what I need to film, so written down, so I feel like I actually have to do it, because days go by so fast in self-quarantine. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I wake up at like 2 in the afternoon sometimes, and that's like bad because the sun goes down at like 5, 6. I have like 3 hours to film. So this is the foundation. Looks pretty good, like blended, doesn't look too unnatural. So now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is my favorite concealer. It's the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. I'm just gonna be applying a little bit of this on some areas of my face that I kind of want to highlight. Then I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender. It's not really a beauty blender, it's like a knockoff, but it doesn't matter, it's fine. We're a bargain queen, so we don't buy $25 beauty blenders. So I'm just gonna go blend this in. So once I blended my concealer, I'm gonna set everything with my Laura Mercier powder that I'm running out of. So I'm just gonna dab, okay, that's a lot, under your eyes so that your concealer like doesn't crease. Now I'm gonna put on some eyebrows because I don't know who I am without eyebrows. I feel like brows are the ultimate boom of the look. I feel like when you put on your eyebrows, you're like a whole different person. So I'm just gonna do my brows. If you guys are interested in tutorials on like how to do your brows, how to do eyeliner, how to do anything, like how to line your lips to look like you have bigger lips, stuff like that, let me know down below. Let me know any video you want to see. I will most probably do it. I use the Dip Brow by Anastasia, and honestly it's my favorite product ever because it lasts me so long. It's crazy. Like, this thing could last me like a whole year, and it costs like $23. I'm all about that. And they make my eyebrows look good. It's waterproof. But if you're first starting out doing brows, I don't recommend it because it's like pretty intense, and you kind of have to know how to like manipulate the product so that it doesn't give you like intense brows. So at first it's kind of hard to like use, especially when you don't know how to fill in your brows. Once the brows are done, we're gonna contour a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the Hoola bronzer, which is one of my favorite bronzers. Just gonna contour, just like a little bit, nothing too intense. I love contouring my nose. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of blush to add some life to my face, because sometimes when you add like your foundation and concealer, like I feel like you lose kind of the natural warmth feeling of your skin. You kind of look like a flat canvas. That's why I really like blush. And I feel like blush you can kind of add like however you want. Sometimes I add it like here over my nose. Then once I'm done that, I'm going to be doing a little bit of eyeshadow, nothing too intense here. I'm just gonna take a brush, and I'm gonna go in with the shade here. It's just like a brown nude. I'm so bad at explaining colors. And I'm just gonna add this into my crease. I'm just doing this because I got extra time, you know. In self-quarantine, we have all the time we never had. So I love doing this with my eyeshadow. Like, you can literally do an eye look with just one eyeshadow color and just like blend it outwards like that and then inward, and it makes your eyes look longer too. I love doing my makeup. It's like the most therapeutic thing ever. I can spend hours doing my makeup. Like, it's the most relaxing thing ever. Really, how do you even have time in the morning to do your makeup? I'm like, honey, I make time in the morning. That's like my morning coffee. Then I'm gonna add in just like a little pink, this shade here. It didn't really make a difference, but it's just like the highlight center. And like, if you're using your bronzer, you can just pop in your highlight in the middle of your eye. It'll be really pretty. So just did that. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of eyeliner, like a little itty bitty wing. So that's my itty bitty wing. Okay, my liner is like drying up and it's not. I'm gonna have to switch eyeliners. Like, the tip's dry, so it's not letting me do the little wing thing. Okay, now this one's higher. I swear, every time this happens, it scares me because you add more, you add more, you add more, and 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 then you end up with freaking wings that you can maybe fly away with, you know? So now I'm going to be adding lashes. I don't wear lashes like to school or when I do film normally. It's just because since I'm in self-quarantine, I wasn't able to to go do my usual lash refill. Sad. Currently left with a few lash extensions. Now that I'm in self-quarantine, I'm just gonna have to do the stick-on strip lashes. Mine are from Dodo Lashes. These are like pretty intense, but it's fine because like I'm filming content, so I'm just gonna dip them. I put the glue like in the little tray. If you guys want me to make a video how to like glue false lashes, I can do that too. I'm scared. Oh no. No, no, no. Okay, I literally got glue all over my eye. That's why I should have waited to put them on. Like, once they dry more, then it's easier to put on. I actually miss making YouTube videos. Okay, so that's glued on. So I'm just gonna wait till that dries. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna do my lips because after I'm gonna have to add some mascara right here at the bottom. But in the meanwhile, I'm just gonna line my lips. I love the Kylie Jenner lip liners. They're like really like buttery. Some of them, like when you apply them, they're like rough and they like tug at your lips. That I hate, but these ones are pretty good. I love making YouTube videos. It's just like the whole process, like filming the video, editing it is long. It's sometimes like hard to fit in with my schedule, but that's why if I plan things out, it's better. So I'm going to be applying a gloss today. I'm going to be using the Kylie gloss in Snatched. I love Kylie's lip product. Like some people say, oh, it's cheap, oh, it's this, but I love her products. Like they smell good. When she has sales, they're at a like a good price. I've been loving this gloss lately. Like all I've been wearing is this gloss. I just stabbed myself in the eye. I'm really mad I didn't think about putting my camera here. So the last touch is highlighter. And I'm just gonna go in. This is my favorite highlight palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It was so worth it because it comes with 6 shades and all of the highlights are so amazing. So I'm just gonna go in, put some highlight. Oh yes. And now I'm going to be straightening my hair. I got a hair Botox thing the other day. What's cool about it is that when you straighten your hair, it stays straight. Right now it's all wavy because I just woke up and I had it in a bun. So I'm gonna brush my hair. I've never had hair so long in my entire life and I wanted to cut it, but my mom was like, no, like you're prettier with long hair. And I was like, what is that supposed to mean? Like, I don't know if I'll cut it because like I waited so long for it to get this long all over your hair, and like it's not unhealthy or like breaking off. It's just like it's annoying because when you have long hair you always have to like brush it out and put treatments in it, and it just gets annoying after a while. Part in the middle, I usually never flatten out my hair with an iron. I always use like the hair dryer. If you guys don't do that, it's cool. Like you just buy the, like I just buy the round hairstylist, like style the hair with the round brushes. I bought that and I just blow dry my hair. I hate doing my hair. That's like one thing that I hate. I hate hairstyles that take too long to do, and I just like makeup I don't mind doing for long, but hair, no. Why so many knots? Okay, there's a knot right here and it doesn't want to leave. I'm really down for an iced coffee. But I always get super scared when I go get like drinks while in this pandemic, because I'm scared that the workers don't take it seriously and don't wash their hands properly, or they touch like the customer in front of me or something while giving them their drink, and then they give me my drink and then they touch my cup and then I touch it and then I got whatever the hell's on their hand. This is my hair. So that's pretty much it for this makeup tutorial for my self-quarantine get ready with me. Who would have thought we would be self-quarantining in 2020 because there's this coronavirus going around? Like, I'm even shocked that I'm making a video that's like my self-quarantine get ready with me makeup routine. Like, I'm shook. Like, you only see this stuff in movies and now like it's really happening. So like, wow. Like, next thing we're gonna be doing is seeing aliens dropping from the sky. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys gain inspiration from it. If you guys want to do just like a regular makeup for school or for like an event or something, you guys can definitely follow this makeup tutorial. Yeah, like, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, you already know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos. I promise, the number of times I've said that, I promise I will be posting more videos on my channel. I literally have all the time in the world to do that, so I have no excuses anymore. Leave me a comment down below telling me what I should film next. Who knows, maybe I'll film it. I will most probably film it if you leave me a comment down below. Follow me on my Instagram if you want to see more of my life and my beauty tips and my makeup looks. Yeah, that's pretty much it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Stay safe, self-quarantine yourself. We're out here self-quarantining ourselves for a reason, for this thing to not spread anymore. And if you don't self-quarantine yourself and you go out and party and have fun with your friends and just go against everything we're doing, why are we doing it, you know? So self-quarantine yourself. We're all doing it, might as well do it too. And yeah, stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.